In the future of automation and manufacturing, technology will play a big role. But what really makes the difference is how people will use it to innovate. Hi, I am Max Vicini, Area Director in FlexLink since 2006, Italian and based in Germany, and I truly believe people make the difference for customers and for each other. At FlexLink, we build the future of automation thanks to our people working together, the right people, in the right place, focus on solving customer challenges day in and day out. No single person has all the answers. It's a combination of skills, cultures, and ideas that creates smart solutions. Collaboration across borders brings global expertise together with a local touch, so customers get the best of both worlds. At FlexLink, we empower every single employee to act as a true customer asset, use the technology in the right way to deliver concrete and effective innovative results. That means anticipating customer needs, preventing issues before they happen, and continuously improving FlexLink's solution to support the evolution of our customers' manufacturing. What makes this unique is the passion, dedication, and respect our people bring into their work. That mindset, putting the customer at the center, caring about their success, and being open to new ideas is what has always defined FlexLink culture. And once you have been part of that, it stays with you for life. That's what makes FlexLink special. We innovate, we work with passion, and we address our customer needs, holding on to our own culture. Because in the end, giving the right value to people is what creates lasting success. Curious to learn more about FlexLink? Get in touch today.